Hi guys. This is out my bedroom window. There's our porch. There's a giant camellia bush right there that's flowering right now. It's got buds all over it. I've got these little window covers, old school, tin things over it. I love it when it rains. Boy, listen to all that thunder rumbling. A lot of thunder with this one. On my Windy app, it has where it ticks, makes this ticking noise when the lightning strikes. It's just steady going. That crepe myrtle tree right there is about 125 years old right there, or better. It's gorgeous when it blooms too. It blooms these like dark purple flowers. And we have another camellia bush, I mean not camellia, but crepe myrtle right there that blooms pink blooms. There was a cedar tree right there. It's down on the ground. You can see it right there. The stump is right behind that chair. It's laid down on the ground. And there's its twin. I called them the twins. One of the twins went down, the twin cedars. Cedars, the wood smells so good. I wish everybody could smell it. Absolutely delicious. Anyway, we got this new thing going on here with that right there. It's not our Christmas tree. Well, it was one of the Christmas trees, one of the three. That one was in the bathroom, but decorated it with Valentine's stuff. Isn't that thunder? Gorgeous. Well, there you have it, guys. Finally came in. We'll see how crazy it gets. Just wanted to let y'all hear that. It smells great. I just wish it was real. Alright, I love you guys so much. Talk to y'all later.